Hello, my name's Patrick Kelly, and today I'm going to take you on a quick trip up to the Oregon Zoo. Now, I'm taking you up there because there's a specific mammal species that's up there that humans share almost 96% of our DNA with. This is a sister taxa of ours, that's a chimpanzee. It is a primate species that we have so many different characteristics that we share with them that they actually do a lot of the same things we do. And the question that I have for my experiment today is, do chimpanzees actually show signs of dementia and Alzheimer's in older ages? Just like humans, we do. But if we can actually justify that they do, this will change how we perceive different mental disorders like dementia and Alzheimer's, because we are the only ones that we know of right now that actually do have this capable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a quick trip up there. Stay with me, and we'll get this going. So I just made it here at the zoo, and it is pretty busy today. It's a beautiful day out here, sunny with some clouds here and there, patchy clouds. And we have a few different schools that are going to be here as well today, so hopefully I'll get some pretty good information still and be able to collect my data. So wish me luck. So today I'm here at the Oregon Zoo on a perfect sunny day. It is field trip season, so this place is packed right now, but I am lucky to have a moment because across the way is where the elephant exhibit is, and they're doing a water show right now. So I can get a little bit of this done. So today I am here at the Primate Center in the Oregon Zoo, and I am video recording some of the motions and behaviors of these chimpanzees, and I hypothesize that these chimpanzees will show some signs of dementia or Alzheimer's, and that's because most of these are above 45 years of age. We've got 3 of them that are 45 and one that's almost 50, will be 50 next month. So I hypothesize and predict that they will show some signs by the time they get to the end of their life.
Now, doing my literature research for this assignment, I discovered that dementia that is commonly found in correlation with Alzheimer's disease is not unique to just humans. I learned the EFNS, ENS guidelines on how to correctly diagnose Alzheimer's disease in humans. This gave me more knowledge on how to correctly diagnose chimpanzees with Alzheimer's disease. Most people know that Alzheimer's disease affects the brain and the cognition of middle-aged to older-age humans. It causes lapses in memory, cognitive thinking with numbers or small tasks, confusion with time, changes in vision that cause blurred sight or judging in distances, which makes driving difficult for humans. It also changes moods, and these are only just a few things that are symptoms for humans that we could possibly be able to change and alter a little bit to quantify Alzheimer's disease in chimpanzees. Whether they follow along with tasks that are put aside by their trainers or handlers, whether they leave or do not want to do certain things, distance themselves from other chimpanzees. All these are little small signs that we could quantify and actually tally on a scale to figure out how far they are with these different types of things. So the research gave me more understanding on the necessity of this type of research and how it relates to human dementia patients. It allows us to have a broader perspective on the disease and how it affects other animals and not just humans. With the help of the staff at the Oregon Zoo and the handlers that work with these chimpanzees, my independent variable will work out pretty normal for these animals. This is because we will just try and initiate new programs that change the feedings and the day-to-day activities and interactions and habitat of the chimpanzees that are here in this troop. These changes will test the mindset and cognitive ability of all the troop chimpanzees, similar to the ones that you see in this video right here, where they interact through a small hole to try and feed them. And my dependent variable will be working with an ethogram Excel spreadsheet that I've been creating that tallies responses from all troop members. The behavior ethogram will tally the behavior movements that are indicative of Alzheimer's disease, such as lapse in judgment, not following the handlers, things similar to that. We will tally all the times that they do these individual things. We'll also tally the time that it takes for them to solve certain problem cubes or different problems that the handlers see fit that might contain food of some sort. My control variable will be segregating one of the chimpanzees either inside or outside during some of these testings to find out if they have any actual signs of dementia doing different types of tasks that are not associated with this program. I would like to finish today by giving you my justification for this research. I believe that the research behind Alzheimer's disease and the development of a cure has been a large issue in human history. Humans have suffered with dementia and other forms of mental illness for our entire existence. Research with other animals could help us come closer to a cure or to help us better understand how these types of diseases affect the brain. The research working with chimpanzees is relative to in the development of more medical treatments and managements of this disease. This can help us better understand the relationships of all mammals and to better understand their consciousness and subconscious mind. If you have ever known or know of someone suffering from this debilitating disease, you can relate to the pain and anguish felt by families and individuals that deal with it on a daily basis and know how much research like this is needed. Thank you. Will beat you down, break your heart, steal your crown. So I've started